Okay, no matter what I do, I can't get the fucking intro cutscene. So, and I'm pretty sure that means we can't get any perks at the beginning. So, in order to compensate for that, I'm gonna enable the mercenary pack. Since we don't have any fucking perks. That's a huge loss. Oh god. What's going on? It isn't working for some reason. The Pip-Boy is not appearing. I'm just gonna take all Doc Mitchell's stuff. He won't need it. Oh, hello. Wait, maybe we have to talk to him. I can't use that, I can't use that, I can't use that. Okay.
Here, these are yours. I hope you don't...
Okay.
They call it a Pip-Boy.
Oh, I don't... that's
I
probably
grew up
why
in
I
one
wasn't able to
vault
use my
before the
inventory.
war.
I didn't have the
We all
fucking
got
Pip-Boy.
one. Ain't much used to be now, but you might want such a thing after what you've been through.
Yeah, I don't care anymore. Thanks. Alright, what? Holy shit. Okay. Perks. Drifter. Your refusal to pick a side is giving you an open mind. So this is the only perk I have at the start of the game. Starting at level 5, you'll gain experience 5% faster. Okay. Sure, but that's not a real perk at the beginning of the game. It doesn't even take effect at the beginning of the game. What? Why are my specials like... Oh. Can I use this now? Doc Mitchell, what did you do to me, man? Make me do this shit. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Dude, fuck you, Doc. Why are you doing this to me? Oh. Edit tag skills. Yeah, we'll just be like Jewish and do barter, I guess. Guns is like a must. Sneak, yeah. Or speech. Let's do speech. The character appearance. Male. Holy fuck. Randomize. Yeah. No, this is chill. Alright. Traits. Oh! I can choose 999 traits! Wait a minute. Okay, no. Well, how many do you pick at the start of the game? I think it's 3. 3 sounds right. I'll pick 3, and then that'll be it. There's no fucking menu. Zeus. For a true hero isn't measured by the size of his strength, but by the strength of his heart. Sets all special to 10 and all skills to 100. Sets your health, action points, and carry weight to insane values. Gives you godly weapons and armor. Merchants tremble at your presence and offer you... What? Wild Wasteland, need that. War Child. Your adrenaline isn't pumping. You're not performing your best. Gain +1 to all special stats while in combat. That sounds like it sucks. You're obsessed with perfection in your appearance. +1 charisma and luck while your health is above 90%, but suffer -2 while your health is below 90%. Nah. Fuck that. Sick and twisted. Seeing suffering delights you. Your addiction duration is doubled, and while evil or very evil, you gain... Holy shit. The healing 1+1 luck, though you suffer an extra harsh penalty to those stats while good or very good. Don't want that. Fiercer when the brink of death, but so is everyone else. Fuck that. Gain +50% to explosive radius while indoors. Nah. That sounds like it sucks. Right hands. Ah, fuck that. Pacifist? Hell no. Huh. Why would I want this? All this does is send mobs after me. What the fuck? Playing Hercules. No. No, I want shooting stuff. Yeah, I want that. Big Iron Ranger. Banned for you've been vilified by the major factions of the Mojave because of this. Raider gangs of Mojave are friendly towards you. I don't know what the fuck to pick. I guess loose cannon, sure. Edit specials. 1/6 strength. Fuck charisma. Give me some luck. Give me some agility. Give me some endurance. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh. I'm considering doing hardcore. I don't know. Could be cool. But I also don't really want to do it, honestly. Because it just seems like a massive pain. You can't fast travel. You can't do anything. So no. I don't know what we're gonna do this playthrough though. I think the idea is to just win. Do whatever I want, probably. Oh shit. Mercenaries, grenade rifle. Dude, shut up. I don't know why they gave me a portable cheat terminal. Alright. So this is more of the same. We've seen this. I'm gonna try to get this done as quick as possible, honestly.
Cheyenne, stay.
Now, give me that varmint rifle. Give me that varmint rifle. You'll look something up. Okay, I gotta press Z.
Morning.
It is not Z. Where? Just map that to that. Oh, let's not do that. I guess it'll be Z.
Hey there.
What the fuck? Why can't I pick shit up? Whatever. It's not that important.
Hello.
Now, see the sarsaparilla bottles on the fence there?
Yeah.
Take this and try to hit a couple of them.
Shut
That's
up.
the right idea. Look down the sight. Try crouching down and stay. Nice shot. Well, that's a start.
Nah. Fuck you.
I'm done being nice. If you don't hand Ringo over soon, I'm going to get my friends and we're burning this town to the ground. Got it?
We'll keep that in mind. Now, if you're not gonna buy something, get out. Hey there.
What the hell is your problem?
Yeah, man. I'm not even gonna talk to Trudy. I'm just gonna go to Joe Cobb and we're just gonna fuck shit up. Yeah, the grabbing still doesn't fucking work. See ya, fellas.
Hello.
Oh, Mr. Cobb. Where are you, sir? It's just way quicker to
What do you want?
help out Joe Cobb instead.
What the hell for? Just farmers and ranchers out here. Not much worth stealing. Yeah, I guess me and the guys could push this place over pretty easily. First things first, though. You go.
Yeah. We go kill Ringo. Kill Ringo.
Hey there.
I'm gonna steal all your shit if you don't mind.
Found you.
Oh. Yeah, man. I don't think you want to do that. Oh, my vets. Yeah, I know how to use vets. Kill his ass. Oh.
Murderer.
Get fucked. Yeah, I'll take that. Yep. I will take all of that. And then we're gonna go here and repair that and repair that. Pretty cool. I don't really care that Good Springs is about to be hostile to me, because, you know, why would I? Alright, what's up, Ringo?
That's close enough. Sorry.
Alright, what's up, man? How did he heal that much? Kind of caps, another pistol. Okay. Is there anything in here worth taking? Cool. Oh, I will take the sledgehammer. Yes, sir. Sleep for a while to get my health back. Oh, we gotta repair thing. Oh shit. There we go. I haven't even talked to the robot. Honestly, I don't want to. All those guys are here.
What do you want now? Good. We'll still need a plan before we rush the town. I don't want it. We ain't got much in the way of supplies. So if you could shake down the old doctor and the store owner for...
Yeah, nah, man. We're just gonna get in there.
What?
Let's go. You're actually gonna do all the work. This is like low-key horror. Oh yeah, welcome down. Welcome down, nephew. See ya now. Holy shit. Oh no, Doc Mitchell. Oh, Victor became hostile? No way. Why did one of them shoot Victor? Oh, I slept. Okay, so it's safe. Awesome. Gonna run back over here. We're gonna redo that. We're gonna equip the varmint. Actually, we can use the fucking grenade rifle. This sounds like a perfect use for that.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Ever get
We ready to move or what?
Yeah, we're going.
sold when something blows up?
Alright. Oh! I might have just fucked us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was crazy. That was crazy. I'm gonna have to watch that back. Give me guns. Actually, we don't really need guns yet. Give me speech. Give me speech and give me barter. Yeah, at the start of each day, you are granted a random temporary buff. I need that.
Please don't hurt us no more. I'm begging you. Well, we'll pay you. Whatever we...
Yeah, give me this shit. I honestly just kind of fucking hate Good Springs. You know, we can do a good guy playthrough next. I really just wanted to get this out of the way. I didn't want to go through all that bullshit. Where's everyone's body? Sunny Smiles. Caravan shotgun. Single shotgun. Oh, Doc Mitchell.
Never gets old when something blows up.
Morning.
Oh yeah, we gotta go loot in here now. Then we can hopefully sell all that bullshit to Chet.
Never gets old when something blows up.
Hey,
Cool. Pipe rifle. I think I'm good.
I'm running low on smokes again.
Guys running low on smokes again.
Either.
Can't pick anything. Oh, now it works. Oh.
Whoa, careful!
I did not mean to do that. Use a super stick back. About that. And then we can save. I do feel kind of bad, but now we're gonna go to oh, wait. Okay. Cool. Hey. What was that noise? Oh, fuck. I'm supposed to go to Chet's general store first and sell a bunch of shit.
you must be the one Doc...
Wait a minute. Oh, I need to look something up. Alright, whatever.
Pleasure doing business.
Yeah, fuck you, Chet. Victor. Victor. He should honestly come to me. Fuck him, I'm just gonna go to Vegas. Right after I repair my gun. If you don't know, you need to like combine items to repair them. So guns. Yeah, nah, we're going.
Howdy. Peace, traveler. That's a... I could use some...
How about no? What is this? Fuck off.
Oh, thank goodness!
Yo.
You, come here. Can you help me?
No. Yeah, honestly, man. Just let you everything. Fuck. Oh, cool. Yes, let you repair my sledgehammer with. What the fuck? Oh, it's the revenge for Good Spring Squad. Oh, shit. Alright. Oh shit. Okay, I need the grenade rifle. Fall back. Help me! Powder gangers, help me! Oh. Those puss! Everybody got fucked. Alright, we don't need that anymore. Did I hit either of them?
They killed me.
Alright, just a pistol for you, honestly. Okay, cool. Pipe rifle. Don't want that. Take the goggles. Revenge for Good Springs. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, nah, I think I want the hockey mask instead. Mauser M96. Oh, this thing is fucking sick. I have to use this. Yeah, I have to use that. Are you fucking kidding? Yeah, just smack it. Sure. Why am I getting that effect on my screen? Oh. Fix me up. Oh. Oh. Damn, this is a sick looking gun. Can't believe I found that shit. What's up, fellas? Oh my god. Alright. I should really pay attention to where the fuck I'm walking.
Damn, running low on smokes again.
Okay. Not many patrols out here lately, which means not much loot. Our crew is thinking we should make a move soon. Follow the tracks up north, head towards the strip. Sure. Whatever, man. Oh, hello. Is that a roach? What is the bash button? Alright. Thanks for the zoom in. I needed that. Cool. Oh my god, the gecko just packed the fuck out of the roach. See ya. Oh shit. Get me out of here. Oh! Oh, you're fucking kidding. I didn't know my health was that low. It's fine. Oh, hello, son. Hey, hit him. Thank God. Damn, buddy. They just like beef every single time. Oh shit, they're coming. Out of here. Oh, here he comes. They're fucking running after me. NCR. Mr. NCR. There's geckos. Yep.
Hey! Where the hell do you think you're going? Prim is off limits.
Take care of myself. Bitch. What was that? Let's chill. Okay. This one's gonna require finesse. Escaped convict over there. See no convicts. Okay, they see me. Got one. Okay, this is bad. Oh shit. Oh, us. Single shotgun. Round this corner.
Had enough?
See ya, buddy.
I'm hit.
Ooh.
They killed him!
Oh shit.
They killed him!
Oh my god. He's weaving. Is he surrendering? See ya.
I don't know what it was brought you to Prim, youngster, but you might want to rethink your plans. Town's gone to hell.
I have some questions about Prim.
That's where we are. This here little casino brought some cash. Now, they can't rush us without eating a good bit of hot lead, but we are in a kind of box canyon. Guess this is a fitting place for that as any.
Can I have played blackjack?
Hey there.
I cannot.
Evening.
Move along, please.
Prim Slim. Prim
Howdy,
Slim.
partner. Welcome to the Vicky and Vance Casino and Museum.
Who are you?
Prim Slim at your service. Authentic cowpoke and official spokesspot of the Vicky and Vance Casino and Museum. Yeehaw!
Hey there.
Hey, youngster. John. Yeah.
Gotta get through all this dialogue. Alright, let's actually I'm gonna save.
Evening.
I'm gonna stop recording and then I'll keep recording later. Take a little break.